your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Do solemnly adhere to abide the rules and regulations on setting all events during the intramurals 2007 of St. Andrew's School Merles Incorporation.
2007 of St. Andrew's School Merles Incorporation.
In the spirit of sportsmanship, I am wholeheartedly accept
Babait kami.
I will also promote the spirit of cooperation and camaraderie among my fellow students. So help me God.
Amen.